Hello there. Welcome to Kimberly Worldwide. Make sure to leave a comment for Kim to let her know you enjoyed the video. Also, while you're at it, why not like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever a new video is posted on the channel. Now, let's start the video. Pay attention! You don't want to miss this.
Thank you, Arnold.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Hey, babies! Welcome to Kimberly Worldwide. I have a beautiful video for you guys in store. Yes, today I am creating this makeup look using products that came in the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for January. Yes, I used these products to create this look. Yes, people. Yeah. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it because I actually used the products that I receive. Are you kidding me? Heck yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. First, let me show you guys quickly what came in these bags. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag for January. And this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for January. These are the products I'm going to be using during this video. If you want to check out Ipsy yourself, do you want to check out Ipsy yourself? If you do, make sure you check that link below this video. Go check them out. To start this look, I already prepped my skin. I'm already wearing foundation, powder, and I did my eyebrows already. So we're good to go. We are going to start with the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to be using the Nebula Shimmer Palette that came in the Glam Bag. And I'm going to apply it with the crease brush from Half Caked that came in the Glam Bag Plus. I am going to start with this color over here. I'm just going to apply it. Oh, it works with... Ooh. I'm just going to keep it moving.
We need to speed things up.
The eyeshadow palette is said to be super versatile, multifunctional, and it's super pigmented also and very blendable. So it gives you that smooth look on your eyes. And it's all thanks to the mineral and clay infused formula. I am going to go with this shade here.
It 80,000 impressions later.
Next, I'm going to be moving on to the eyeliner. And I'm a little bit scared about this because I'm going to be using the Rebel Eye Definer Pencil in Rebelde. And it's from the brand Reina Rebelde. I am not a fan of these kind of pencils. I prefer like more like a liquid liner. Here we go. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
Hooey! It's, you know, all-in-one, full intensity eyeliner. So you get good payoff. It's saturated, blacker than black, and glides on smoothly. And it's waterproof, so if you go swimming, it'll still be on there. Okay, so that was the eyeliner. I'm not mad at it. I prefer, like I said, liquid liners myself better because you can get, you know, precision line and everything. But next I'm going to do my lashes and I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Rise Mascara for that. First, I'm going in with my lash curler because I always curl my lashes. Do that real quick. It's a curved brush, so that's kind of cool. See? Curved brush. There we go. And I have another mascara from Milk Makeup that also, I believe, came in an Ipsy bag, and I love that mascara. And the Rise mascara is a lifting and lengthening mascara, which is awesome, especially if you have lashes like mine that are just straight and don't rise up at all. So this mascara, supposedly you only need 1 or 2 coats, and you know, it brings your whole look together. It leaves your lashes soft and feathery and clump free. So the mascara so far is my absolute favorite. It works. That's why. It really does what it says that it will do. So now, my all-time favorite makeup product, lipstick. We're gonna do the lips. Love it. So for the lips, I'm gonna be using the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Dolce Vita. And this lip pencil is, like I said, it's matte. You don't just have to use it to line your lips. You can use it as a lipstick, basically, and fill in your entire lip. They say that it's very rich, it has vivid pigments. It's a non-drying formula, and because it has vitamin E in it, it says it doesn't dry out your lips like many matte lipsticks often do. I do like that it gives a more natural effect. You can still see your own lips through it and everything. So I do like this pencil. Yes, I just don't like the color that much. I'm not a big fan of the color.
Kimberly, my favorite color is blue.
Because I'm also not super excited about matte lips. I like a little glossiness to them. I was happy to find that in the Glam bag, there was the SHEIN B lip gloss. Yeah. This is supposed to be a long-wearing and ultra-hydrating lip gloss, and it gives high-definition shine. I am going to oomph my eyes a little bit more. I'm going to take the eyeliner then I'm gonna take that matte shade from this palette and what we do next, we put a little bit mascara underneath. I am going to be applying some bronzer, and this is just my own bronzer, and this is what I always do. So this is the final look, guys, created with just makeup that came in the January Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. Let me know what you think of this look. Sound off below in the comments. And I am working on a brand new video for next week. Keep a watch for it. It will be up shortly.